Good morning, class. How are you all? Fine, thank you. THIS. This. The is. THIS. This. THAT. That. The at. The at. That. Today we are gonna learn about this and that. So where we have to put this and where we have to put that. Now I'm going to tell you. The things we can touch easily, the things those are closer to us. We can use this. For example, look at here. I can touch this. This is a board marker. So I will say this is a board marker. What is this? This is a board marker. And now I'm going to tell you about that. THAT, that. So the things those are far from us or we cannot touch, we can see them, but we cannot touch. Look at there. Oh, there is a chair. I can't even touch the chair. So I can point. That is a chair. That's how we are going to make more sentences with these things. Look at here. This is a pencil. I can touch it. This is a pencil. Oh, this is a stapler. This is a stapler. This is a stapler. This is a scale. This is a ruler. This is a scale. Right? This is a scale. I can touch it. This is a pen. I can touch it too. This is a pen. Say with me. This is a pen. This is a book. Look at here. This is a book. I can touch this also. See, I can hold it in my hand. This is a book. It's a reader. We can read it. This is a book. I can touch it. I can use this. This is a table. Look at here. This is a table. This is a card. Oh, this is a card. This is letter B. This is a card. Repeat with me. This is a card. Okay, now see. I can't even touch. I can just point. Oh, that is a whitener. It's far from me, so I can say, that is a whitener, my dear. Can you please give me that whitener? Okay, now look at that. What is that? That is a eraser. The little one triangle shape. That is an eraser. And that is also a book, but I can't touch it. See, it's far. I can just point. That is a book. Very good. That is a book. Oh, that is a chair. That is a wall. So that is a wall. That is a chair. That is a table. That is a window. Look at the window. That is a window. That is a door. That is a door. I can point. I can't even touch. The things I can touch this chair. This is a chair. This is a chair. So I can touch this. This is a hen. Look at here. This is a hen. This is a hen. This is a hen. So now you tell me three sentences. You have to write in the comments three sentences you can make, like this is a sharpener, this is a book, this is my hand. Anything you can say. You just make two sentences. Okay, see you later. Take care. Bye. Like and subscribe my channel. Don't forget the bell icon. Press the bell icon. Share my videos, learn and earn here.